Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and in this video we're going to take a look at the voice commands within the camera settings on the S22 Ultra. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate how it works, so let's go ahead and check them out. So open up the camera, select settings, and then scroll down to where it says shooting methods, and here you will see voice commands. So just turn it on, and it explains how it works. Take pictures by saying smile, cheese, capture or shoot, or record videos by saying record videos. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it out. Cheese. Okay, so it's just snapped a picture. Smile. Capture. Okay, let's switch to video. Record video. And as you can see, guys, the recording has started. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also remember to thumbs up this video. Okay, let's see if we say stop video, if it will stop. Stop video recording. Stop video. Pause video. Okay, so none of those commands work, so we have to manually stop it, which is quite a shame. They should update this and give us the options to use those commands to either pause or stop the video. However, it's still cool. It's something I will be using. So let's just check out the pictures that I've just taken. So these are the pictures that I've just taken using the voice command, and this is the video. The recording has started that I just recorded. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also remember to thumbs up this video. Okay, let's see if we say stop video, if it will stop. Stop video recording. Stop video. So that's it for the video, guys. This was just my video checking out the voice commands on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra's camera settings. Be sure to give the video a like, guys. Share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Doses. See you in the next one, guys.